Hello all, welcome back to Chai Kahani. This is Himanshu. So today I brought you all an amazing Telugu movie for you guys, Color Photo. So before going into the movie, there are love story movies which are really good with new storylines and breaking the present taboo among us and creating a new trend. And then there are love stories that just have an ordinary story with ordinary plot and ordinary dialogues but goes deep into our hearts and literally make us feel like we are in the middle of a vast ocean all by ourselves. Such stories are the ones that remain in our hearts forever. So back in 2013, when Aashiqui 2 released, I saw the movie and it literally blew me away and made me so emotional. After that, I've seen some tremendous love story movies like The Fault in Our Stars, Dil Bechara and etc. And Color Photo is the movie that truly deserves a special place in everyone's heart. As you might have guessed it, so today's movie is all about Color Photo. So let's find out why Color Photo truly and heartily deserves a special mention for being one of the amazing love stories in the recent times. Coming to the plot, Color Photo is a 2020 Indian Telugu language historical romance directed by debutant Sandeep Raj, and the film also stars Suhas in the first lead role along with Chandni Chowdhury, Sunil and Vaiva Harsha. The film is set in Machilipatnam in the mid 1990s and it completely describes the love story of a decent looking guy, if not I can say a below average looking guy. So when an ordinary looking guy falls for a girl who literally looks like an angel, how the situations happen and how the love starts and what are the various things he has to face in the 90s to get his love succeed, and will he ever succeed? For this you have to watch the movie. So this forms the main plot of the movie. So coming to the story, one thing I can say, it completely immerses the audience in the love drama and also along with this make a strong social point that love doesn't see color, it just sees the person's heart. So let's get back to the good aspects. Frankly speaking, there are no new stories that are coming up these days, but the way the story is put together and the creative aspects that go into the making makes the movie good or bad. The same is with Color Photo. With just an ordinary story, the way it is told is extremely fantastic. Cinematography has also been done very well. It literally feels like an amazing treat to watch. So big kudos to the director Sandeep and to the cinematographer. Then comes the movie. I will straight away tell you, there is one song, Taragati Gadi. I've been on a continuous loop listening to this song, and also small portions of it are used as BGM in the movie, and it is really heart touching. So big kudos to the music director Kala Bhairava. If I can say in the recent times, if there is a song which literally acts like a drug, this is the song. And then comes the greatest aspect for the movie, the actors. Firstly, comedy scenes of Harsha and Suhas are rip-tickling and amazingly done. But sadly, there are just only a couple of comedy scenes present in the movie. But even though the comedy was done really good, and also for the first time we have seen Sunil in a negative role, but he has done a really good job. And now comes to the lead pair, Suhas and Chandni. In every greatest love story, we only remember the lead pair. I can say Suhas and Chandni also are one of the amazing pairs to look at, and they have done a fantabulous job. And also I can say one thing, they have given the best performances of their life period. You will surely remember some amazing scenes and the chemistry even after the movie. Their acting has been so good and a definite treat to watch. And also, the movie has a really impactful message of discrimination based on color. And I'm sad to say, this sort of discrimination even is present in these days. And let's get with the bad aspects. There's not all sunshine with the movie. There is also a few bad aspects as well. For the initial 10 or 20 minutes, the movie feels more like a short film rather than a feature film. You know, like a car having a starting problem, the movie starts off slow. But don't get me wrong, it's just for the initial 10 minutes. After that, it goes on with a bang. And apart from one song, the rest of the songs were quite boring, I would say. These are the only negatives that I could find with the movie. And the most important thing, the title, Color Photo. No one can guess why the title has been put to Color Photo, but everyone can truly understand with their heart after watching the movie till the end. I can say this is the only apt title that can fit to the movie. Overall, I can say that Color Photo is a really good love story, really heart-touching performances, and a must-watch to all the audience, because even though it's a love story, it's very clean, suitable for all ages, I would say. I'm sure there are true love story movie lovers out there. If you really want to make a movie hit, and that too in the recent times, I bet this is the one. Also, let us not encourage piracy and those cheap websites as well. Let us watch the movie officially on AHA app. And that's it for today's episode, people. If you really liked my explanation and content, please like and subscribe to Chai Kahani. Until next episode, stay safe and take care.